Hey everybody, this is day number 10 and dose number 20. I'm getting ready to go to work, so I'm in a hurry. So I weighed myself this morning when I got home, when I woke up, after I woke up, and I weighed 216.7, I think it was, or whatever it was. So I can't wait to weigh myself when I wake up tomorrow, because I'm going to weigh less. So anyway, let me take my dose number 20. And I'm gonna go to work. I hope I got enough in here. I'm starting to get low. Then it's gonna get harder and harder to get it out. I made a little cut mark where there we go. All right, dose number 20. That tastes good, actually. Tastes like cherries. Okay, I will upload this probably tomorrow, or maybe, I don't know, whenever. But anyway, I will see you tomorrow with dose number 21.